Some engineers don't post their wins. They're just quietly building, sketching, calculating. But every great structure started with someone who refused to quit when nobody clapped. They said Tesla was crazy. They told Gustave Eiffel his tower would ruin Paris. Even today, site engineers get underestimated until their work starts speaking louder than their words. Engineering isn't about proving others wrong. It's about proving what's possible. So keep sketching, keep calculating, keep building even when no one's watching. Because your plans are still loading, just like the foundation before the building rises. And one day, the world will look up and realize you were right all along. Follow Ames for more engineering stories. Learn, build, inspire.